Hey YouTube, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Kiera and this is my channel, Hey Key. If you are a current subscriber, hey you guys, what have you been up to? Thank you for clicking on another one of my videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So as you can see in the title of this video, we are doing Halloween costumes for 2021. If you are subscribed to my channel, then you know I did the Halloween costume video last year. So now I have some new costume ideas for this year, and these are Baddie Instagram verified type costumes. Like, I love Halloween. Like, I'm a scary cat, but I love Halloween. I love the idea of dressing up. I like the snuggle and the sweater weather. I love like the, what is it, the hay rides and the apple cider and the pumpkins and the pumpkin patch. Like, I love that. Like, the Halloween, I love it. So I got the ideas on my phone, and then I'm gonna try to put like pictures on the screen like right here so we can like create this in our head or in our minds together. But if I don't find anything that's similar to my idea, then I guess I can't put a picture. But yeah, so the first costume idea I got is the Megan Thee Stallion, the crybaby look. So when she had like the big balls right there, and it was like, hold on, let me pull it up so I can really describe it better. Like, she had like the big balls, like the two ponytails. Like, that look was so cute to me. It's like the blue with the two big balls or whatever. So I'm gonna put it on the screen. It has like the little feathers. Like, this is a look. Like, these two little balls right here with the little feathered crop top and like a little feathered little skirt, that is cute. And then she also had this other look when she had the little floral headband with the halter top with the shorts. That was really cute too. So both of these looks, honestly, just being Megan Thee Stallion period for Halloween, that's a vibe, that's a look, that's that. So just being Megan Thee Stallion for Halloween. But I will say, if you're gonna be Megan Thee Stallion, you gotta have those knees. So I can't be Megan Thee Stallion because I don't have time for that. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna embarrass myself. I'm not gonna set myself up for failure. But if you do the crybaby look, fire. The next look I got, now this is like if you have like a best friend, you guys are like the same frame, you guys love Halloween equally together, I feel like this would be a cute idea for you and your best friend. So this was actually SZA and Doja Cat in the Kiss Me More video. So you can get like some satin material from like a craft store, and you guys can like put it together like in the Kiss Me More video when they was in the bed with the Asian guy, just all in the bed and messing with him. I feel like that is a look for you and your best friend. Or you and your best friend could do the look when Doja and SZA was on the moon and Doja was singing. I don't really know what she was saying in the song, but kiss me more, when she was just staring there and then SZA was on the other side and the moon was right there. That's a look. So you and your best friend, y'all pull that off. If somebody pulls that off, please tag me on Instagram so I can see it. If you don't know my Instagram, all my socials is right here. Hey Key was hey__key. Tag me because I want to see these looks. If you do any of these looks, tag me on Instagram. But moving on, the next, y'all gonna think I got all celebrities, but after this I got a couple more, but those are funny. I say creative. So the next one I was thinking, since the wonderful and beautiful Miss Aaliyah's music has been restored, she's gaining new fans. Like, I'm an early 90s baby, so I grew up listening to Aaliyah, so none of her music is new to me, and I've already had it, honestly and truly. But like, to all the new fans, it's time to really embrace her and appreciate her music. And you can do any of Aaliyah's iconic looks. Like, you can do the Try Again. Was that the Try Again when she had like the little choker with the rhinestone bra top and the leather latex pants or whatever? You can do that look. You can do some looks from We Need a Resolution, when she had like that little dirty look with the snake, or when she was like in that little bubble thing with the orange nude lip gloss. You can do the 4-page letter look. You can do back and forth. It's just like all of her music is out here, and now she's getting new fans. And you know, she had like the collaboration with Mac maybe what, a year ago, 2 years, I don't remember, but I do have the products. Like, now she has like this new fan base, so we really just need to welcome her in with new arms and really appreciate the artistry, because her uncle was trash and never gave her the music, never gave us the music. Okay, so now I have a costume that is not a celebrity, but this is really cute, and I was actually inspired by Miss Hallie from Chloe and Hallie, because everybody knows that Miss Hallie was doing her own thing, working with Disney. She had to dye her hair red because Miss Hallie is gonna be Ariel in Disney's upcoming like action film of The Little Mermaid. So let's jump on the trend and be a beautiful mermaid, because y'all know Miss Hallie is gonna give us everything we need to get, and everybody's gonna be a mermaid next year. So let's jump on it now. And I feel like with mermaids you can be so creative. You can have like fishnets, you can have shorts, you can do a skirt, you can do pants, you can just do so much with that look. It's solely up to you. You can do pinks and purples and blues. It's so creative. You can be any type of mermaid that you want to be. You can be even like a queen of the sea or princess of the sea. You can do anything like that. So like any sea, like mer people looks, fire. Okay, so the next one is more so like a gag type Halloween costume. So the next one would be an IG model. Okay, so I know you're thinking, what's an IG model? Have fun with it. So basically get you a cute little outfit from Fashionnova or whatever, and get you a sign with a little cutout Instagram. You can be an Instagram model or whatever, or you can just get like one of those little BBL cut dresses that everybody's selling these days and nobody looks good in if you don't have a BBL. Let's be honest, like I look a mess in those type of dresses because I don't have a BBL. But you can get like one of those little dresses and be an Instagram model and just walk around like a whole bunch of likes or comments or something. Just be really creative with it, y'all. An Instagram model, that'd be funny, hilarious, funny, lit. That's cute. The next one I got is being a prom queen. So you can get like a cute little dress, a cute little tutu dress, or a cute little short like ruffly dress with a crown and a sash, and you can walk around and be Miss Prom Queen, Miss 2021, Miss post-COVID prom queen, I guess. I don't know, even though we still in COVID, but a prom queen, I feel like that is so freaking cute. Like we've all went to high school. Well, if you didn't, I'm sorry, but for the most part, most people do go to high school and they go to prom, and that was just like a great experience. Like that was your last big hoorah before you set free into this miserable ghetto adulthood. Let's relive that fun moment and be prom queen for a day, right? Fire. Moving on. So the next one I got is actually, the next two ideas is going to be like for groups of friends. So for the next idea I have is being like, if you have a 4, you have a 2. It's really up to you. So if you have a group of friends, you can be the cast of Insecure. So you can be Molly, Issa, Kelly, Tiffany. Y'all can look up like the iconic looks, like when they went to Coachella together and Tiffany had the baby with the yellow on. Like that can be a look. Like, or it's just so many looks. Or even if you don't have like a set of 4 as friends, maybe you can just be Molly and Issa. That'd be lit. But just being the cast of Insecure, like I feel like that will be so lit. And especially since this is the last season of Insecure, I feel like that is just great. That'll be a good time. Insecure airs October 24th, and then it's Halloween, so it's like everybody's like, hey, look at Issa, look at Molly, look at Kelly. Like that's funny. That's a good costume idea. Don't say that I never helped you. And if anybody watching this video decides to be the cast of Insecure, please tag me on Instagram. I want to see this. The next costume idea I have is for 2 friends. And it's actually funny. So y'all can be Carisha and Santana.
Carisha, you need to downsize so you can enunciate
I
your
don't
words.
do a fuck thing, baby. Everybody know my
Downsize so
business.
that you can enunciate.
Santana, shut up.
Y'all, let me stop stressing my sister out. Y'all know she was child.
Bitch, you ain't stressing me out, punk. When you get a car,
Why would you call me a punk?
When you get a car in a real motherfucking Chanel bag, then that's when you could come for me, hoe.
Carisha, please. Leave it alone, sweetie.
Then that's when you could call your pussy.
Leave it alone, sweetie. R.I.P.
R.I.P. You was a cheap ass prostitute.
R.I.P.
Hear me out. Carisha and Santana, Young Miami, are hilarious. So the picture when, what was the look when they both was holding hands and they was walking, that's the look right there. It's like when they interact on IG, when they be on live together, it be so freaking funny. And if you can, do a skit. You might even go viral on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, whatever. You might even go viral, but do a skit. That'll be like so freaking lit. Like Carisha, my Young Miami, like I love they lives. Like at first I didn't like they lives. I'm like, ooh, they loud. But then I just started listening. I'm like, they are really freaking funny. So you and your best friend be Carisha, be Santana, and have a ball. Have a freaking ball. Have a good time. The next costume idea I got is for groups of friends again. So this is for a trio, this is 3, and you can be Powerpuff Girls. Hear me out. Hear me out. It's not the same costume they had back in the 90s when I was a Powerpuff Girl. Luckily, when I was a Powerpuff Girl, there's no footage to this day of me in that awful costume. But I'm going to insert a clip of the costume right here. That was me in the 90s trying to be a Powerpuff Girl. That was the worst costume of my life. However, things has changed. You can dress up and make your Powerpuff Girl costume look really cute, really sexy, really adult friendly. You can do like a short little mini skirt, like a tight like spandex skirt. You can do like a little ruffly little top with a tube top. You can have like the little high socks with some heels or flats. The different hair, like you have like the red hair, the blonde hair. What was Bubbles? What was it? Red, blonde, and black. Like that's a vibe. The Powerpuff Girls, like I've seen so many different types of Powerpuff Girl costumes, and I think that's really creative and fun, and it's good for you and your friends to all show like your individual style while being the same. Like when you all stand together, it's like, oh, that's the Powerpuff Girls. Okay, so this is my last group costume on this list, and this was from the movie Girls Trip. So if you've seen Girls Trip, you already know what I'm about to say. So in Girls Trip was when, this is from the scene when they all had like the colored wigs on, and then they got into the fight at the bar, and they all had, I think everybody had on black, or was just one person had on black, I don't remember, but they all had on colored wigs and glasses, and they was in the bar, and they was like high off of something that Tiffany had just put in their drink or whatever, and they was just delusional, and they just wanted to go somewhere and sweat it out. Okay, we are coming down to the last 3 looks that I have on my list. So the next one is actually a celebrity, but if you are 80s baby, 90s baby, you know who this person is. It's a little throwback, but it's a look. This person is iconic regardless of age and time and all that. This person is iconic. So here goes. Paris Hilton. Hear me out. Paris Hilton was iconic in her day, but the Paris Hilton look that I'm thinking of in particular is when she would wear, I think she would wear like a little like diamond choker with like this little like sequin slit, like very short dress, and I believe Fashionnova sells a dress quite similar, so I'm going to insert the picture right here. But yes, this look is so simple, so sexy. This is cute, and you just walk around and say that's hot, and people like, Paris, I knew that was you. That's hot. If you got like a little toy little dog, bring the little toy little dog and be that's hot. Once you say that's hot, that's literally like her catchphrase. Everybody knows that's Paris Hilton. That's fun, easy, sexy, and inexpensive. All you need is like a cute little necklace, the dress. If you got blonde hair, even perfect. A blonde wig, even perfect. And like a little plush little dog if you want to carry the little dog. And all you gotta say is that's hot. We know what that means, period. Okay, so the next costume, this is something I came up with and it was so random. I don't really have a name for it, but let's try to paint the picture. So I'm thinking like, because it goes with the weather, so it goes with the season. So it's like like Queen of the Harvest type, Autumn Nights type dress, like the mother of autumn or something. I don't know, but hear me out. Let me describe it, because I literally came up with this in my head, but I feel like if I search for something, I might pop up with something. So I'm thinking this is a total DIY costume. So you're like the mother of fall or autumn nights or something like that. So I'm thinking like a crop top, like you can have like a bra top or something, but you're going to hot glue gun like fall leaves like all over it, and maybe you can do like a skirt or some shorts. So it's like the crop top or the bra top with the shorts or the skirt, and you're just gonna hot glue gun like different fall leaves, like the different colors of the leaves, just put it all on there, and then you're gonna make a crown like a headband, but glue it all on the headband. So you got like all the little leaves. You can do like some branches, maybe some hints of gold in there for like a little sparkle. But you like the queen of autumn nights or something, or harvest nights, or mother nature, autumn nature, mother nature, something like that. I don't know what, but that's the look. Mother nature for this season, seasonal mother nature, something like that. But I feel like that outfit is fire, and it's gonna be real cute. Get your best little push-up bra, so the girls are sitting, and you got like all your little feathers and your not your feathers, all your leaves and your branches, and like some little hints of gold in there. You can wear like some little stockings or some little very nude sheer tights to go under it, and just be the queen of fall. Maybe have like a little basket with you, and you can just put little leaves out to leave like a little trail, like Mother Nature is here or something. I feel like that's a look, that's a vibe. I may be that next year, who knows. That's a look. And the last but not least costume that I have for this video, it's another person, but hear me out. This is an iconic person. Britney Spears VMAs performance look. If you know, you know, and if you don't, Britney was iconic when she did this performance. Well, Britney is iconic, and now that she's getting out of her, what is it, conservatorship, I don't know the name of it, I don't know, but she's getting out of that with her dad. Like, Britney's gonna be on the up and up. That is an iconic look. What was she saying? Slave for you with the snake on her? Of course, don't walk around with a real snake. I mean, if you do, people ain't gonna let you in their house and their parties. You have a little fake little snake, had a little costume with the little ringlets and the little body oils and the shimmers, and be I'm a slave for you with a little snake. Iconic. Britney was iconic and trend-setting, and I ain't seen nobody do anything like that since, with like a real live animal as a prop on the stage while you're dancing and singing on cue. I haven't seen that. I haven't. Okay, so that is the end of this video. If you've enjoyed it and if you like any of the ideas, please let me know in the comments below. If you made it this far, thank you so much. Did you hit that subscribe button? I hope you did, and if not, I'll give you a few minutes to do so. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next video.